Made it up here to XRP, y'all. Flip in the right lane. Got flip in the right lane, y'all. I'm been with Flip. Sound like he racing a turbo car. Look out. Right now we in the first round. Look out, look out. Not much, chilling.
Working hard today.
Yeah, a little bit, man. I'm out here. I done missed the wreck. I couldn't make it in time.
Bro, that was insane, man.
I'm gonna go over there and holler at him.
Crazy race.
I heard they need the what up get paid. Huh?
Who do you think won that race?
From what I know, when you red light, you lose.
That's exactly what I thought. But they said they're gonna run it back.
Not today.
No. That's it. They squashed. They evened out the money.
Yeah.
They're gonna run it back at some point.
Mustang in the shop
not
still.
tonight.
Hey. Twisted Soul. Rob one time. Super Mike.
Mustang GT. First round. Anything on 28?
First round. like they made it right, man. I'm gonna get a sample first. I'm gonna get me a sample first. If it don't taste right, something wasn't right with them the frozen parts. Ethanol shooting.
Beautiful 72 in the
Nah, it wasn't. The Hennessy was right. The other part wasn't right. The frozen part. Flavor was missing. It was like I ain't had no flavor of the red and the blue. Alright, y'all, where y'all going on this? I think the right lane. I really think the left lane, but I'm picking the right lane because of that type of, it got that gas that be shooting out when it do a burnout. You might know something. Left lane for the win.
Michael Reed, boy, I tell you, big time. And the 72 getting loose.
72 getting loose. Man, this is the truth.
Get back in.